Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. Today we have part 2 of Anna showing us how to handle contacts on an iPad.
Hello, welcome to the part 2 of this contacts app setup. So what you are looking at, what my iPad is showing is the contacts app, and you can find that there's a groups button at the upper left corner, and then contacts is the heading. And also, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, there is a plus button. And that plus button, I have to zoom out a little bit. There you go. There's a plus button. This plus button will allow you to add a new contact. So I'm going to tap on that plus button.
Add button.
Okay, I'm going to activate that.
Add new contact.
Once I double tap, I have
button.
Once I double tap, I have activated the add button. Then the right side of the screen is showing a new contact page. So I'm going to move the iPad to the right side. So now, and as you know, the on-screen keyboard is getting smaller and smaller, harder for someone who is visually impaired to use. So I'm going to show you how you can use a hand gesture to operate the dictate button of the on-screen keyboard. To turn on the dictate button, I'll use 2 fingers to double tap on the screen. Joe.
Inserted Joe.
Notice that I used 2 fingers again to stop the recording. Then the word Joe was inserted into the field. So next thing, I'm going to use a hand gesture by flicking with 1 finger from left to right to go to the next field.
Last text field.
Which is the last name field.
Double tap to edit period.
And I'm going to double tap to activate that field.
Insertion point at start.
Okay, so now the insertion point jumped to the last name field. I'll do the same thing by using 2 fingers to double tap on the screen to turn on the dictate button. Johnson.
Inserted Johnson.
Okay, so now Johnson is already inserted into the last name field. And that's how you can use the dictate button to dictate what you want to put in the first name field and the last name field of the Contacts app. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can use handwriting to put in the phone number and email address.
So that's a pretty interesting and handy way to keep track of all that contact information. That's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.